Winter is a magical time of the year. There is a lot of snow outside and the weather is really frosty. We can see beautiful frosty patterns on the windows of the houses. It feels as if you are in a fairy tale. You can sled down the mountain, make snowmen, or go skiing in the forest. In winter, we celebrate our favorite holiday, the New Year. I like to decorate Christmas tree and light the colorful lamps. Even though winter is the coldest season, a time of blizzards and bitter frosts, I love this time of the year. I like it when snowflakes fall slowly to the ground and the roads are covered with a white carpet of snow. Winter gives us a lot of fun and beauty.